Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to put a music background on a picture by Capcut on iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Capcut application and hold on until we are generated into the Capcut, and after that go into the edit sections here. Now click new project to start the project. Since we want to edit the picture, please go into the photo sections here, and after that choose which photos that you want to edit. For me, I want to choose this photo and then click add, and after that don't forget to move or to remove this Capcut watermark here. Okay, delete it, and after that please take a look on this bottom features here. Click audio, and now you can choose sound, and after that you can choose which music compared to what you really want. Here is already like divided depending on the beats itself. For me, let's have a healing, and now we can choose one music here, and if you find this really just match with the picture, please click add, and now you can adjusting the length of the music. Okay, make sure that the length of the music is have the same length with the pictures. The pictures I want to make it longer, like up to here, like make it 10 seconds, a little bit more and more. Okay, now it's 10 seconds, and now we just need to cut the music by click the music or the audio here until it's become in active mode, and then please click split. And now the active mode for the rest of music that we didn't use anymore, just click delete to remove it out. So now our pictures already have the music on it. Let's have a check. Right, so after we finish it, just click export to save these pictures in our media or our gallery. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.